Alright, let's install Java 8 on Windows. Just open browser and type download JDK 8 for Windows and press enter. And here you can see the link oracle.com and just press on it. And then here you can see lot of downloading links, and in case mine is 64-bit Windows, so I'm going to install this one. In case if you don't know your version of Windows bit, just go to Windows and type this PC and then go to properties here, and here you can see system type is 64-bit operating system. So mine is 64. I'm gonna download 64 Windows. Just click on downloading link, and here you have to accept Oracle Technology Network License Agreement. Just press on it and click on download button. Now it is taking us to the Oracle sign in page. Here I'm gonna sign in to Oracle account by using my credentials. Let me type. In case I'm having a Oracle account existed with me, so in case if you don't have Oracle account, just click on create account to create one. I'm gonna sign in here. Click on sign in button, and then here you can see the information about. Just click on send anyway, and here you can see that the download is on process. Here in my case I have already downloaded this, so I'm gonna cancel it. So now just go to the downloaded folder, and here you can press on JDK setup and keep press on next. Click on next, and it is, you can see here it is preparing to install, and just keep press on next every time whenever you see the next button, because there is no need to do any changes here. So just keep on pressing next button. It will take around 12 to 13 minutes. So here also you have to click next. So I'm gonna just pause it and then come whenever it is downloaded. Yeah, here it is downloaded. And next steps, now let's go to the installed folder. Let's go to C and then go to programming files, and here we have to search for Java. In my case here, here it is. Click on Java and click on JDK 1.8 and click on bins. Now we just have to copy the path. Just press Ctrl C and just close it. And now we have to set up the path. So just type on this PC and go to properties. Here you can click on advanced system settings. Just click on that, and now you have to open environment variables here, and now just click on path, which is under, and click on edit. Now it will, now you have to paste the path here and just click on OK. Now also OK, and then OK. Boom, that's it. Now we have installed Java on our Windows. Just open command prompt and type Java C in it, and here you can see the different log file if it is installed in your Windows. That's it.